Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored.
Hey friends, hope you're well. As you saw from the title, today is wash day. I have not washed my locks properly for a very long time. I know for many of us, we are stuck on what to do when it comes to washing our hair by ourselves if we're used to going to a stylist. Obviously, during these times, we have to kind of take some things into our own hands. So join me today, follow along, have a look at the things that I use to wash my hair, and we can do this together. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my towel. I prefer to use a hand towel because it's just small enough to sit on my shoulders and also collect in my locks. So I've wet my hair to allow some lubrication for the soap. I'm using Osmo's clarifying shampoo, which is really good for lifting dirt out of your hair without stripping all the moisture out. And I'm just focusing on the roots for now, not the length of the lock, but the roots. So I'm making sure that I'm lifting the dirt off of my scalp, and I'm not digging my scalp either. It may look so, but I'm actually using the pad of my fingertips to get in there and really just lift and shift whatever might be on the scalp and to cleanse the hair around the root and the follicle as well. Plus giving your head a hair massage too. That way you're stimulating the follicles also. Did that for about a minute. Then I move to the back. Now, it might look here as if I'm not really getting to the locks, but again, my focus are the roots. You hear that? The roots. So I just want to just get in there, massage where I can, those places that usually you might accidentally overlook while you're washing your hair, just to kind of get in there. Now I start focusing on the ends, and I'm not agitating. I'm making a really good effort not to agitate the locks, but instead just kind of massage and zhuzh down the lock just to lift the dirt and also not to lift too much of the color that's in my hair because it's semi-permanent. So you can see here, it is not super soapy and foamy. It's because my hair is dirty and the oil in my hair is not allowing it to do so. But I'm just going to keep working through and keep doing this another 1 or 2 more times. Having a look just to make sure that I've got my key areas, and then the massage, best part ever. So you can also do this in the shower. I prefer to bend over the bath and use a shower head to do this. And I am just allowing all the soap and water to run through the hair. I am not squishing it like a sponge. I am not agitating it, because too, for some of us, we do have roots, newly retwisted roots that we don't want to unravel too much, or this may be our first wash after getting our first set of locks. So as the water's running through, it's just squeezing the hair like how you would kind of like squeeze out a cloth, for example, just to get the soap and water out of the hair. And I just do that until the water runs clear and all the soap is out. So onto shampoo number 2, I'm using Organics, and I'm using a hydrating shampoo that smells divine. And now, can you see the soap? It's now beginning to really suds up quite a bit. And that's where too, again, I'm doing the same thing, focusing on the roots of my hair, focusing on cleaning the roots, but I am now able to kind of run that and incorporate the rest of the lock a bit more as well. This is my favorite part. I just like playing in soap. It's so cleansing. Do you ever notice a dime size? That's not a real measurement, okay? Handful size, palm size, whatever fits into your palm. That's how much shampoo I need. And you find when you have locks, you need more. So I've slowed down here how I squeeze the ends of the locks to get out the dirt and soap. I've only had my locks for coming up 2 years now, and my hair I know is prone to fuzzing. So I don't want to disrupt the integrity of my locks even further by scrubbing and rubbing in all different directions, causing the friction. So what I do is ensure that I'm adequately cleansing and cleaning my locks without destroying what my locks are becoming. Honestly, this massage, how many of you actually fall asleep in the salon at the wash bowl? It is so good.
I'm tired.
Second shampoo. Again, it might seem like a lot, but it's not. So I am just going through the same process. The soap is going, more shampoos needed, it suds in, that's it. It's the same thing for the third time. Because there's more soap, it's getting a little bit playful now. I'm just gonna be honest. So I'm just putting my hair up now just to see, because it looks cute. As you can see, my whole head is sudsed up. Soap everywhere. And it's clean. This much soap, it's clean. That's just what I'm checking out, that's all. For conditioner, I'm using Organic Root Stimulator Olive Oil and the Organics conditioner that matches the shampoo. Both very lightweight. You want to avoid a creamy conditioner that will unravel and cause slip in your new locks, old locks, build up, etc. And I am just running it through my hair, and I am running it down the length of the lock, massaging the scalp, getting into the hair. And after our final wash, grab your towel and dry your hair. Now again, can you see I'm not rubbing it like I'm cleaning a window? I am just squeezing out the water into the towel in the lock. Again, minimal disruption as much as possible. And here we are, time to oil my hair. Super disappointed that the footage of me oiling my hair did not record. It was very therapeutic and very informative. However, here we are. I am drying my hair now. Some of you may choose not to do this. I do because I live in England and the air is damp and I don't want to catch a cold. And I'm done. All finished. If you were following along at home, can I just say, give yourself a clap. Well done. If this is the first time you washing your hair on your own, well done to you. We've done it. Our hair is clean. We're ready to go. Comment below, share your wash day experience, and as ever, thank you for joining me, and I will see you again in another video. Bye.